This is Mr. Haris' office.
Good afternoon. You must be Rahma, the new secretary.
Yes, miss, I am the new secretary.
My name is Sutfiana. I am one of your boss partner. I would like to make an appointment with him for a project meeting.
Of course, miss. Mr. Haris is available on Monday and Wednesday for an appointment. Which day would suit you best?
I would like to meet him on Monday if that's possible.
Very well. Would you like to meet him in the morning or afternoon?
Actually, could you make it a lunch appointment? We could talk about the project during lunch. That will be more efficient.
I will have to check with Mr. Haris first, but is not possible.
That's okay. Could you contact me again once you have his approval for the appointment, please?
Of course, miss. I will contact you directly once I have his response.
Okay, thank you so much, Rahma.
You're welcome, miss. Have a good day.